Can you believe some people give fake insurance cards when there's an accident? It's a real thing here, and it leaves innocent victims to suffer both physically and financially.
Yeah, I-Team reporter Jackie Calloway exposes a loophole in the system, leaving police in Florida powerless to detect this kind of fraud.
How you doing, sir? Just, do you know why I'm stopping you today?
If you've ever been pulled over,
Driver's license, insurance, and a registration if you have that.
you know law enforcement runs your license. But what about your proof of insurance?
There's really no way for us to validate that.
Anytime a law enforcement officer pulls someone over or pulls up to the scene of a crash, they have no way to actually verify that the insurance information or the card they've been given is accurate or legitimate.
Oh, God, I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it. It felt horrible.
A drunk driver slammed into Arlene Summers last December.
He provided an insurance card.
But that insurance card proved to be a fake, a fact no one caught until weeks after the crash.
Did the cops know that night that the card was fake?
No. I figured that when you give your insurance card and it has your VIN number and everything, that everything was fine.
You know, and some of them are done very well.
State insurance fraud investigator Mike Hennessy showed me some of the fake cards criminals make and sell to the uninsured.
That's not much different than what my insurance ID card looks like.
And that's part of the problem.
State agents recently made an arrest charging this suspect with selling upwards of 30 fake insurance cards to drivers all over Tampa Bay.
It needs to be this way in this day and age. There should be some checks and balances in place to verify whether people are driving around with valid insurance or not.
The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles would not grant an interview, but the agency pointed out via email the state law that requires auto insurance to, quote, report the cancellation or non-renewal of such a policy to the department within 10 days. Then the state issues a notice of suspension, but the process could take weeks or months.
And then now just an insurance card for the vehicle that you're driving today.
And it's not until after an accident that law enforcement sends the report to the state for insurance verification. The Insurance Information Institute estimates 20% of Florida drivers hit the road with no coverage. Trooper Wells' experience backs up that data.
1 of 5 either doesn't have insurance with them or will admit to you that they're driving a vehicle without insurance.
Most of us pay the tab for uninsured motorists in the form of higher auto premiums.
Starts about right here. That goes all the way down to here, and it curves all the way down to about the middle of my shoulder. The grand total, $2,732.71.
And for those who take a hit from someone who skipped out on buying a policy, the toll can be physically and financially devastating.
When I got hit, I couldn't work because I didn't have a vehicle.
Jackie Calloway taking action for you.